correcting people and putting them down.
No, guitars?
Yeah.
When I correct people,
Okay,
I am
okay.
raising them up. You should know I do it for you more than anyone.
Come on, you used to feel superior. I see that twinkle in your eye when someone says who instead of whom, or thinks the moon is a planet.
Or Don Quixote is a book about a donkey named Jote.
See? There it is. There's that twinkle.
Well, I can't help it. That's an involuntary twinkle.
What do you want me to tell you, Sheldon?
I want you to tell me that Howard's being mean to me for no reason.
Fine. Howard is being mean to you for no reason.
I knew. What's the matter?
Every time I spend the night, your mom slaps me on the behind and says, go get him.
It's not her fault. She's getting hormone replacement therapy. Makes her crazy horny. Check this out. I got Sheldon to wear the French maid's costume.
Oh, God, that's terrible.
Hey, I gave you first crack at it.
Why are you doing that? You're being mean to him.
He's mean to me all the time. You never tease me about not having a doctorate.
If you want to get teased about that, get a doctorate. I have one, they're great.
Come on. The man torments me. I'm just letting him have a little taste of his own medicine.
It's not the same thing. Sheldon doesn't know when he's being mean because the part of his brain that should know is getting a wedgie from the rest of his brain.
Fine. I'll just make him do a couple more things and I'll stop.
No, you have to stop now.
I want to remind you to promise to take me dress shopping tomorrow.
Damn. I'm sorry, I can't make it. But Sheldon is gonna go with you. And that's the last thing you do to him.
Done?
Yep, turn it. Okay.